Of what really led to the riots in Nagpur. Leaders of MDP, which is the Minorities Democratic Party, identified as the one which triggered these riots, assembled in fact outside a police station on Monday and had chanted Aurangzeb Zindabad. And the mastermind, whose picture you see on your screens, Fahim Khan, is believed to have been the one who had mobilized the entire mob. He is believed to be a part of this Minorities Democratic Party, some sort of a local outfit, then brought members of his community together. They came outside a police station, chanted pro-Aurangzeb slogans, and then you had, in fact, the riots breaking out as people were gathered together. Sumi is with us for more details on that. You look at these kind of details that emerge, Sumi, it's clear that they wanted to target police officials. They first gathered outside a police station, and then we understand that Fahim Khan, the mastermind of this riot, actually spread this rumor with the intention of getting as many people as he could together.
Yes, absolutely. That is what it is looking like. Fahim Khan, who has also contested the 2024 parliamentary elections against Nitin Gadkari, the BJP stalwart. He was one of the 24 candidates who fought the elections, and he's the one, again, a very strong political background. He enjoys a great rapport with the people here in the neighborhood, and which is why he had assembled all of the people, close to 50 to 60 people outside Ganeshpet railway station, where they had gone to register a complaint between 1 to 4 p.m. on Monday. And that is where this video is emerging from, where the mob accumulated and were chanting the slogans praising Aurangzeb. And that is where everything went down. And this particular development took place right after the demonstration that was led by VHP and Bajrang Dal here in Nagpur, where there was an incident, where they were burning the effigy of Aurangzeb, and there was a green-colored cloth, a sacred green-colored cloth, allegedly, that was burned. But again, we don't have any confirmation on that. But this particular incident, the green color cloth that was burned, was again the part of the miscommunication that triggered the entire Nagpur violence. And Fahim, he's one of the key conspirators who had accumulated all of the people from the neighborhood and had taken them to Ganeshpet police station. We can also see that we have also accessed videos of them targeting the policemen and also having a very intense argument with the policemen. And again, there was a lot of miscommunication, and that's where the social media
play that out in just a bit, Sumi. But is this man, this conspirator, this mastermind, Fahim Khan, is he in custody right now?
Yes, the police certainly has named him on page number 7 of the FIR, of the 18-page FIR. However, he's being looked after. He's not in custody right now.
So he's also getting to know that on the run. We are going to get those details. But Sumi, the video that you were referring to is now on our screens. This was the moment on Monday evening where you had crowds gathered outside a police station. You can see that it was an early evening, much before the riot broke out. This was the spark. This is where it had actually begun, where you had a crowd that had gathered outside a police station chanting slogans in praise of Aurangzeb. And this crowd was gathered by the man you see on your screens, Fahim Khan. Minorities Democratic Party, some sort of a local outfit, but clearly brought together people of one community outside a police station, tried to get out the police station, then ensured that more and more crowds come together, all on the basis of a rumor. And this rumor was floated by this mastermind with the clear intention to spread violence, to create this riot-like situation in Nagpur and hold the people of Nagpur, the police of Nagpur, hostage literally to their violence. So me, that video on our screens right now, where you can hear these Muslim groups chanting together outside the police station, looks like it was before actually what had happened, before the riot had broken out. So it looks like this was the trigger, this was the moment when people started gathering.
Yes, absolutely. This is that very moment. The VHP Bajrang Dal demonstration took place where they burned the effigy of Aurangzeb. But right after that, the miscommunication, the vicious circle started, and Fahim Khan, who's again the mastermind, had assembled all these people outside the Ganesh Pet police station. Again, this is one of the 11 areas where there has been a curfew for the last 48 hours. And in fact, it is one of the sensitive areas where the violence broke out. And the slurring, and we can see chanting, a lot of sloganeering, praising Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, is taking place. And in fact, there's also an argument that also ensued with the police officials who were trying to contain the law and order, but nothing doing. They constantly kept chanting Aurangzeb's slogans, praising Aurangzeb. And in fact, this took place between 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday. And right after that, what we had seen is that stones were accumulated from various construction sites. And right after that, between 7:30 to 9:30, all these sensitive routes were taken over by the mob, and they were throwing petrol bombs, stones, whatever came in their hindsight at the properties of commoners. And the common people was on the receiving end of all of the violence that took place in Nagpur. But yes, but definitely this video that has been accessed by India Today is very crucial to understand the chronology of how the violence took place, because this is the trigger point. The police has also already established that there was a lot of miscommunication that took place, and which is why the cyber police is now looking into the 100 social media accounts which had led to a lot of miscommunication and the widespread of miscommunication in Nagpur through various WhatsApp groups as well.
All right, Sumi, thanks for those details. More and more videos emerging of exactly how this riot was a pre-planned conspiracy, of how, in fact, one group called the Minorities Democratic Party in Nagpur is the one that had got this mob together and triggered this outrage, spreading a rumor to get, in fact, people's sentiments hurt and get them out onto the streets. We're going to be tracking all the latest